I'm Nelson Chai Nyangate, a student specializing in automotive technology. I want to take this opportunity to talk about a trip to Mombasa. Before I talk about the trip, I want to thank God for this far. I also want to thank the Technology Education Department for organizing for such a great event. I want to also extend my gratitude to my friends and family for their support. The first company that we visited is the Associated Vehicle Assemblers that is situated in Miritini, that is in Mombasa. And in this company was established in the year 1975. It is a leading assembler in East Africa, that is for vehicles. Uh-huh. This company assembles different brands from different uh, source manufacturers, including the Volvo, the Toyota, the Tata. It also assembles the Fuso, the Scania, the Photon. It currently also assembles the Toyota Hilux. We have various activities that is in the complete knockdown process, that is in AVA, starting from the logistic area whereby the kits from the various source manufacturers are received and stored and prepared for the complete knockdown process. We also have the cap trimming area whereby the empty capsule is fitted with windows, windscreens, mirrors, and even wiring is also done here. We also have the actual station whereby the wheels, the steering racks, and the gearbox and the U-bolts are also fitted here. We have the chassis station whereby the chassis wiring is done, the fuel tank installation, air tank installation, and valves are also assembled. We have the engine mounting station whereby the engine is mounted, the gearbox, and even the radiators are fixed. We have the final station. Here, auditing is done to make sure that the vehicles meet the requirements of the source manufacturers. Here, wheel balancing, wheel alignments, and brake testing is done. The next step is the green park, whereby vehicles are stored as they await for their transportation and for their market. AVA is well organized, including time management. How management is done, that is from the top management to the workers, well coordinated to make sure that every step has, has taken place well and the manufacturing is done well. We find that tools are well stored in AVA and pathways are also put in place to make sure movement is well done and it is safe. We also have great safety measures in AVA, including the speed limit, which is put in place, smoking zone, which is also put in place. Workers are also being encouraged to wear safety clothing to ensure that they are very safe and their safety is a priority. AVA faces challenges. One of them is that Kenyans tend to go for the important vehicles apart from the locally manufactured vehicles. AVA is being motivated by the national automotive policy that is being enrolled to make sure that vehicles are assembled locally and there is no importation of vehicles. This has encouraged them to make measures to make sure that their produce per year is is enlarged because of the enlargement of the market. AVA also has an aim to open another branch that is in Tanzania. Allow me take you through the second company that we went, that is the Likoni, that is the Kenya, that is in Likoni, that is the Kenya Ferry Services Limited company. We found that initially it was called the Kenya Bus Services. The company was established in the year 1937. It is in the 1957 when the government put various ships to make sure that is transportation across the sea. The Kenya Ferry Services make sure that there is transportation that is from the Mombasa Islands to Likoni and also to Mutongwe. Here you were able to see large ships. We were also able to see fast ferries, conventional ferries. We were able to see two types of engines, that is the Mutu ferry engines, the gas engines also. The tour guides were able to explain the processes that occur to ensure that there is power for the movement or for the operation of the ships. The ship is designed in that in the ground floor it is for vehicles, and in the upper floor it is for passengers. We also find that the ships are very well fitted with the computers that manages operations, monitors operations, and make sure that there is safety. CCTV cameras also fitted to monitor what is taking place in port flows. This makes sure that there is safety and everything is done for betterment of transportation and for human safety. The government is aiming at reducing the congestion in these ships by planning to construct pipers and also to construct a direct bridge that is from Likoni and to Mombasa. Another company that we visit is the Kengen, that is the Kipefu one. We found that the company has a capacity of 60 megabytes and it was commissioned in the year 1999. It is owned by the government power called Kengen. The plant comprises of 6 generators by the Mitsubishi Industries. The engines are fueled by the heavy fuel oil, that is the HFO. The fuel treatment is done by the centrifugal principle. We also were able to go to the water treatment area. Storage tanks are in one place. Assembly point is also there. The workshop is well situated. The control room is also sited very properly. SCADA systems work well to control the local area, to monitor even where a problem has occurred. We find that there is a safety point, safety posters, and no photographs are allowed to make sure that safety has been put in control. The next company is the Proroc Limited. We find that this is a steel industry located in Miritini, that is Mombasa. The company manufactures a wide range of value-added steel and tubular products for building and construction and manufacturing, and in automotive and packaging industries. It was incorporated in the year 1972. We find in this company there is a material handling section, storage section. We also had various machines that are designed and are there to, to perform various operations, including the milling. One of the machines is the confection numerical machine. We find that the last company that we visited is the Mombasa Cement Limited. It was established in the year 2007 with an aim of catering, building and construction as one of the top quality cement manufacturers in East Africa community. The core activities of the company, we find that in this company there is an extraction area whereby limestone is extracted, and also shell and iron ore are transported. These are combined to make the clinker mineral that is actually the mineral that is needed for the production of cement. We have crushing whereby limestone and shell are crushed by the impact crusher. We have pile preparation where limestone is taken to the dumping area. We have blending done by the bridge climber to the conveyor belt number 5 that transports it. We have the additive hoppers used to control laminar silica amounts to make sure that they are balanced, to make sure that production is done with those minerals balanced, because unbalancing will produce a poor quality standard cement. We have ball milling involves grinding of the materials. We have separation where it is done in cyclones and then sent to the preheater. Heating is done at 1450 to 1000 watts where the clinker mineral is finally formed. Cooling is done at 100 degrees Celsius to cool the clinker using the centrifugal fans. We have cement making point whereby 3 minerals are required, that is the gypsum, the pozzolan and the clinker. Finally, it is cement packing where it is packed and transported by the conveyor belts to be stored and even transported. The materials are arranged according to the sequence of the operation. Adequate dust control during conveying is done there, and control of wind erosion and water runoff is well managed. The safety is put in place. Employees wear protective gears. It is constructed away from the residential places. First aid kits are produced. Fire extinguishers and easy pathways are there to make sure movement is safe. The ICT keep every records. It monitors every process, and even the SCADA systems control temperatures here, and it controls many other areas. I want to say thank you because I learned a lot, and I will apply this daily to actually solve many problems in my field of study. May God bless the technology education department. We were very grateful for everything. Thank you so much.